Imagine a world where every plate you create bursts with color, vibrancy, and flavor, where every bite feels like a celebration of health, sustainability, and pure joy. Plant-based meals are not just food. They are a lifestyle, an art form, and a powerful statement about how we choose to nourish our bodies and the planet. Picture golden kernels of corn, glistening like drops of sunshine beside tender, creamy beans in deep shades of black, red, and white. Picture bright bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, fresh herbs, and tangy citrus drizzles coming together to form a masterpiece that excites the senses and fuels the body. With beans and corn as the stars, these dishes are not only visually stunning, but also rich in plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that energize your day and support overall wellness. Beans and corn are a match made in culinary heaven, balancing texture, flavor, and nutrition in ways that captivate both the eye and the palate. Corn offers a sweet, juicy crunch, while beans bring a creamy, savory richness. Together, they form a complete protein profile, making every colorful plate a powerhouse of plant-based nutrition. Cultures worldwide have cherished this pairing for centuries. From Mexican street food delights to comforting southern succotash, proving that simple ingredients can create extraordinary meals. Now, imagine inviting viewers on YouTube to join you on this flavorful journey. The key to capturing attention is to paint vivid pictures with words, showing rather than telling. Describe the sound of corn kernels sizzling in a hot pan, the aroma of garlic and smoked paprika rising as beans simmer to perfection, and the vibrant rainbow of colors as you plate your creation. Viewers will feel as if they can taste the dish even before they try it. This sensory immersion builds excitement and curiosity, making them far more likely to click, like, and subscribe. Picture yourself saying, "Look at this plate: golden corn, spicy black beans, juicy red tomatoes, creamy avocado, fresh cilantro, all coming together to create a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious." If you want more colorful, plant-powered meal inspiration, hit that subscribe button right now and join our vibrant community. Your narrative becomes powerful when you share stories. Talk about the farmers markets where you pick up the freshest produce, the joy of discovering new plant-based recipes, or the satisfaction of making meals that are as good for the planet as they are for the body. Encourage your viewers to see plant-based cooking not as a chore, but as an adventure filled with endless possibilities. Highlight the affordability and accessibility of beans and corn, pantry staples that are versatile, budget-friendly, and easy to prepare. This inclusivity makes your content appealing to a broad audience, from busy professionals to students and families seeking healthier options. When crafting these meals, focus on bold colors and contrasts that will pop on camera. A mound of black beans next to golden corn, topped with vibrant pico de gallo, slices of bright green avocado, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs creates a plate that viewers cannot resist. Drizzle a zesty lime cilantro dressing over the top, and suddenly the dish comes alive. As you plate, describe each movement and flavor in detail. Look at that shine on the corn, the creamy texture of the beans, and how the colors complement each other perfectly. You can practically taste the freshness just by looking at it. Such sensory storytelling keeps viewers hooked and encourages them to imagine making it themselves. Your CTAs must be clear, enthusiastic, and well-timed. Early in the video, say, if you love seeing vibrant plant-based plates like this one, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on these delicious ideas. Midway, reinforce it with, "Doesn't this look incredible?" If you're ready to create meals this colorful and tasty in your own kitchen, click that subscribe button now and join the plant-powered movement. End with a strong push. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn to bring these colorful banana corn creations to life. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's keep making every plate a masterpiece. Make the experience interactive. Encourage viewers to comment on their favorite banana corn combinations. Share photos of their own creations, and tag you using a unique hashtag like #BeansAndCornMagic. Invite them to suggest new variations or challenges such as turning classic comfort foods into vibrant plant-based dishes. This engagement not only fosters community but also boosts visibility in YouTube's algorithm. Show versatility by offering endless ideas. A rainbow bean and corn bowl layered with quinoa, avocado purple cabbage, and spicy lime dressing. Mexican-style stuffed peppers overflowing with seasoned beans. Corn and tomatoes. Or a simple yet stunning succotash with roasted cherry tomatoes, sweet corn, and fresh basil. Emphasize that these dishes can be made in under 30 minutes, proving that healthy eating is both delicious and convenient. Remind viewers that by choosing plant-based, they're making a difference for their health and the planet. Plant-based eating reduces environmental impact, promotes longevity, and connects us with nature's bounty in the most flavorful way possible. Keep the language energetic and inspiring. Use vivid adjectives and active verbs. Sizzling, glistening, bursting, drizzling, tossing, savoring. Make viewers feel they are part of the process, not just observers. The more emotionally invested they feel, the stronger the CTA impact. Every time you plate a dish, reinforce the excitement. Can you believe this is all plant-based? It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it's packed with flavor. and you can make it right now. Subscribe and let's keep cooking together. As the video ends, leave viewers with a lasting impression. By choosing vibrant, plant-based meals with beans and corn, you're not just cooking, you're creating art, fueling your body, and making a powerful choice for a healthier planet. Every colorful plate is a celebration, a story, and a step toward a brighter future. So click subscribe, join our community, and let's keep making plant-powered magic happen together. This continuous flow of sensory-rich description, storytelling, and enthusiastic CTAs keeps the audience engaged from start to finish. The vibrant imagery of beans and corn, the emphasis on easy, affordable, and nutritious meals, and the sense of community make your content irresistible. You are not just sharing recipes, you are inspiring a movement, one colorful plate at a time. Your YouTube channel becomes more than a source of meal ideas, it becomes a hub for positivity, creativity, and plant-powered living. And every time you remind viewers to subscribe, like, and engage, you're reinforcing that they are part of something meaningful, exciting, and delicious. With every video, you paint a picture so vivid and inviting that clicking subscribe feels like the natural next step for anyone who sees it.